Hello everybody, I'm back again. Just wanted to do a quick share, and I wanted to show two sets of pockets that I created. I wanted to continue and do more, but I have a few custom orders that I need to get started, and I'm gonna start Monday, well tomorrow. But I wanted to jump in and show these two two sets, I guess I should say. So let me know what you guys think. I will be listing them on Etsy. So I'm going to start with the first one, and these are all pockets you guys have seen. I went ahead and distressed them, and I used my puzzle glue, so it gives it a different feel to it. But I left this one blank on the back because excuse me, I don't know how these would be used, but in this case, you know, you could glue it down. And do I have a tag? Get one of these. You know, you can insert a tag on the back, so you can leave it open. And it opens. I didn't put anything in here because I didn't want it to get fat, but I did put some lace. And then on the inside, I just went and added to a few of these journaling tags from Prima, and they're double-sided. So that goes in there. And then on the front pocket, I have this one. And this is a, excuse me, this is a 2-pocket envelope. And the next, let me put them up here. I guess I could use this as to show the pockets. And this is another envelope, and this one only has one pocket, and it's closed. This one doesn't go all the way down, but it has a little metal key. Well, no, it's not metal, but it's a key that looks like metal. So, but they're like little stickers. And then I just added some flowers, again, some little trims, eyelash trim. And then on the bottom, on the inside, I just have this journaling card again from Prima. And this is my blue set. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. Excuse me. This is my blue set, so you'll see a lot of blue. Well, actually, all of them, I think, have blue pocket flowers. And I try to insert things that had blue. And this one, again, has been, they all have been distressed. And again, you can use it the same way. So this is the second envelope. Here's my next one. What did I do with the other one? I'm losing my head. Oh, here it is. I won't get confused. But this is my other little pocket that I made. And this one, again, you just set it up on your book like that. Leave it open on the top so you could insert a tag. So that's how that will look on a journal. And on this one, I did a little bit of a collage with papers and this image. Excuse me. A little flower, some, again, lace, pieces of lace and trims, eyelash trim, another little key. And then on the inside, I just inserted these two. This one's from, I think this is from Tsunami Rose or Pinterest. But I backed it in some cardstock. I'm not sure if that's Tsunami Rose. And then I have another journaling card from Prima. And that just pops in there. So that's item 3. I think it's a total of 7 pieces on both kits. On this one, it's my little, I guess, well, 2-pocket, well, 3 if you're counting the one in the back. You would put it like that on your journal, and then you can insert, where's my tag? My tag looks cuter. You could insert your tags on the bottom. On the back, I'm sorry. And then this one did come from Prima. I'm sorry, Tsunami Rose. And I just backed it on a piece of file folder. I'm all over the place today. So that goes there. And then I have these two journaling cards that came from Prima. And of course they were perfect because they have blue in them. So those just pop in there. So then my next one, this one you guys know, it's my large tag insert with a pocket. But this one I took it a step further. And so it has a pocket on the bottom that I had created in the past, but I added also a side one. So I thought this was cool because you have it here and then you have it back here. So it's a pocket with it, a tag with two pockets. And then I just inserted these two from Prima for journaling. But I love the way this came out with the two pockets. I love the way it looks. And you can glue it down. You could use washi tape and just have it as a little flip there. But yeah, I love the way this one came out. So I made a couple more for me. So that one there. This one is one of those envelopes that I had shown. It doesn't have anything inside, but it's a large envelope that you could either glue down. But this one you can't glue down because this one has a two-face, what I call it. Because you turn it around and you have another pocket in the back. So you have a little insert, and I just inserted these two pieces, and these came from Tsunami Rose. There's this little bug, little gnat. So I like this one too. This one's also well, I had shown this envelope, but I had actually glued this piece down, but in this case I left it open for a pocket because I figured you can hang it. Let me use this one better. You can hang it on your journal like so, and then just put a little paper clip, and then when they flip the page you have this piece up here. Move this out of the way. You have this piece right here where you could use as a tuck. So like, let's say you want to add this image here. You just pop it in there and it could be a little tuck for you. And the envelope could be removable and you could insert anything in there. But yeah, I thought that would be cool to use as that on a book, on a journal. So, and this image came from the book, the original book where these pages came from. It was a book. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I can't remember the name. Okay. It's an original image from the book. And it's an old book already. So, yeah. So that's it. That's the number 6, I think. And then this is the last one. So this would be a little tuck that you would put on your journal. Actually, no, this way. You would glue it down. So you have this pocket here where I inserted these two items. This is from Prima and this is from Tsunami Rose. So those would tuck there. But you would only glue around it and leave this open where, I already put it back. Let me borrow this one. Where you would be able to insert stuff in there too. So you'd have a pocket down there and then this pocket here. So that's what this pocket's for. So that was my blue little kit collection. Here's the pink one. And this one, I just went ahead and Mod Podged some of this deco paper that was gifted to me. And again, I just added some lace. So there's that little envelope. I guess I could move this out of the way now. And then this one, it's the other envelope with the two pockets. And I did the same thing on these two inserts. Deco Podged some some of that awesome paper. This one that was gifted to me. So there's envelope number 2, and then this one. It's the large envelope that can be used hanging on top of a page. Again, this one has an image. You could just hang it on your pocket again and use this side as a tuck. And on this side, I just have this image. And I think this one came from Tsunami Rose. And I backed it with a recipe card. And then here's the large tag. This piece came from Tsunami Rose. And then this one as well. And then this one here. This image from Tsunami Rose. And I don't know if I mentioned on the other pockets, but the ones that go glued down, I didn't put any puzzle glue on the back, being that they're going to be, it's not going to show. So I only put it on the front. And they're all sewn. Here's this one again. So they're a little bit different, but they're all the same pockets for both kits. And oh, did I not put anything? Okay, there will be something in there. I don't know if I dropped it or what, but that's this one. That's the one that you would glue on the side, so you'd have a tuck here, and then a tuck here. But yeah, I don't know what happened, so I'm going to leave that one on top. So those are the two pocket, what did I say? Pocket kits? I don't know what to call them. But that's my pocket collection. I also made one plain because I was thinking, well, what if somebody wants the envelopes and the pockets, but they want to decorate it themselves? So I'm going to try that. So I made one, and then they've all been distressed or coffee dyed, and I put that puzzle glue on them. So they got that old feel to it, but same pieces, double pocket envelope. These are just plain. I don't know if anybody would be interested in just getting them plain, where they can do, you know, they decorate it as they want. And the envelope. And there's the back pocket. And then there's the, oh, this way, the little tuck there, and then that you could tuck on the other side. So yeah, I'm going to put one of these plain ones up there and see how that goes. And, but yeah, so far I have two. Let me know what you guys think, and they will be listed in my Etsy as soon as I get a chance. But anyways, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will have other different little kit collections of pockets later on. I need to do my envelopes, the other kind of envelopes, but I just haven't gotten to it. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.